In this video, I'm going to go over this bike chain lock with alarm. You heard me right. This thing actually has a audible alarm that will go off if anyone tampers with it at all. So if you're inside and you start hearing your alarm go off, it'll give you time to go out and see who's trying to cut your chain on your bike. So first off, this thing is a beast. So you can't just go with bolt cutters and hit it real quick or use a saw. You'd have to take all of this off to get to it. It's riveted in right here, so you can't just pull it down. The lock itself, it looks heavier than what it really is. It's actually not that heavy of a lock. This is great for anyone like myself that has a very high-end e-bike that you want to kind of lock up. Say you're running in a store real quick, you want to lock your bike up. You want to be able to hear if somebody's messing with your bike. So here's the lock itself. You get 3 very unique style keys right here. They look like they're little cylinder type keys. You get 6 replaceable batteries. By the way, it does come with batteries in it. To replace the batteries, you're going to have to pull it out, get a Phillips head screwdriver, take those out, and this drops down, and the batteries are contained in here. But we won't do that in this video. It's kind of covered all right here. Looks like pretty simple process to go. Okay, let me show you real quick how this thing works. So you're just going to run the chain. Say you're around the bike and the actual chain right there. Put it in there, put it all the way on right here, rotate it all the way back, and then all the way back to on. Now it should be armed right now. You did the 2 like that. If it doesn't arm, there it is. I think that's disarmed. If it does 2 beeps, now it should be armed. That loud beep lets me know that it is armed. So right now, if I pull on it, it should go off. There it is. Wow, that's so loud. I'm holding my ears right now, everybody. Let's cover it up. I am holding my ears. That is so freaking loud. So it gives me that alarm. I can go take it, turn it back off, pull it out. Now it's off. Let's try that one more time. So to put it in there, all the way down. There, it's armed right now. Now I will walk away. It should be, there's the second alarm. Now if I touch it, so if I try to grab the bike and move it, it should start going off right now. Now it starts doing that beeping to let me know it's been messed with. Yeah, that's loud. To turn it off just like that. Very simple. Everybody, I think this is a great item for anyone that's got an e-bike or scooter or something like that they want to kind of like make sure nobody walks off with, or just leaving it locked up somewhere while they're inside, and make sure it doesn't grow legs and just go away. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the bike chain alarm lock. See y'all in the next video.